Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make internet in Infinite Craft. So what you want to do is grab fire here, afterwards grab water, put it on fire to create steam, and after that get another steam. Let's create fire, create an engine. Yeah, there we go. That's right. After that, get steam and put it on the engine to create a train. After that, what you want to do is move it a bit here to have space, and then after that get an engine near like this, connect that, and after that grab a second engine, create a rocket, and then the rocket, get another rocket to create a satellite. That's the third one, and then grab a fourth rocket to put to the train to create a bullet train, and after that put the bullet train to the satellite to create the internet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.